Welcome to the Learning Studio. If you're someone who's curious about how the world works, why prices rise, how governments make decisions, or how billionaires build their empires, then you're in the right place. This is the start of our brand new economics series, the seventh subject on this channel, and like all others, yes, we'll be learning it through fun, engaging whiteboard animations. So let's begin today's lecture, where we'll explore: what is economics? Why only around 5% of people study it? Why is it more important now than ever? And finally, what you'll learn in this exciting playlist. And don't forget, the entire playlist is linked below in the video description. You can binge watch anytime. What is economics, really? Let's clear one thing. Economics is not just about money. It's about choices, how people, businesses, and governments decide to use limited resources to satisfy unlimited wants. Economics helps us answer some of life's most powerful questions. Why do some countries prosper while others stay poor? Why does petrol price go up? Why are people unemployed even when companies are hiring? Why are eggs more expensive this year? It's a subject that explains human behavior, market trends, financial systems, and decision-making, all through a logical, analytical lens. So, why do only about 5% of people study it? Great question, because many believe it's too complex, filled with graphs and formulas. But the truth is, economics is deeply connected to our daily lives. From the salary you negotiate to the price of groceries, economics is always around you. And that's exactly why we're creating this animated playlist, to make it super simple, relatable, and even fun. Why is economics important? In the past, economic revolutions like the Industrial Revolution or the Great Depression changed the world. In the present, we see its role in inflation, unemployment, interest rates, fuel prices, and even elections. And in the future, economics will help us solve major global challenges: climate change policies, AI and job markets, global inequality, crypto and digital economies. Economics gives you the tools to understand, predict, and shape the world. So what will you learn in this playlist? Here's the exciting part. You're not just watching videos, you're going on a journey through microeconomics, the world of individuals and businesses; macroeconomics, big picture stuff like GDP, inflation and policies; consumer behavior, production and cost analysis, supply and demand, international trade, public finance, econometrics basics, and real-world case studies. We'll also explain how to think like an economist, even if you're in school, teaching, doing business, or just curious. Why should you watch this before stepping into the field? Because foundation matters. This playlist is your starter pack to economics. It helps you make better decisions, understand news with clarity, and impress in academic or career interviews. Students will gain clarity. Teachers can use this to simplify complex topics. And curious minds, you'll finally get answers to questions that bug you at 2 a.m. What's next? Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and dive into the next video in the playlist. We're going to make economics your favorite subject. This is the Learning Studio, where we simplify knowledge for curious minds, one whiteboard animation at a time. See you in the next video.